talk to me a little bit about what it is that you really value about it.
I'm very lucky. This is the 4th human library I've been able to be involved in, and I really love hearing the different stories, being able to connect with people from different backgrounds, different cultures, different experiences, and that's the best thing that these kids can get for valuing that diversity in our community, is to see it firsthand and to hear their very personal stories themselves.
And do you think that the Human Library connects with other things that you're trying to do at school?
Most definitely. It's very, very relevant. It links directly to the general capabilities in the curriculum. It links perfectly with English as well. It's fantastic for talking about all that sort of diversity and stereotypes, which is throughout the curriculum.
And do you get good feedback from the students?
We do. It's something that really sticks with them. I know this year when the grade 7s knew that they were doing the Human Library, the first thing we said to them was ask the grade 8s. And all of the kids gave fantastic feedback both years. The grade 8s this year were very excited that the grade 7s were doing the Human Library. Some were even trying to tack themselves on and make themselves shorter to look like grade 7s. They wanted to do it again.
Oh, so clearly you'd recommend it as a really positive experience for all involved.
It's a fantastic experience for the kids. They remember it, they value it. Even the ones who hadn't done it yet were excited to do it, hearing about their friends' experiences. It's fantastic for the kids.